everyone, this is Neeti Sansare. We've been meeting on YouTube regularly, if I may say so. It's been 2 videos now. This is my third video. We are right now at my house. We are preparing for our webinar, which is going to happen, the masterclass, which is going to happen on 19th of February, 7 p.m. And I am hoping that I see you guys all there. I am here, and with me is the co-host of that particular masterclass, that's Sahil. We've been friends since how many years now?
Many years, I think, more than a decade.
He wouldn't like to share the number because he doesn't like his age to be disclosed.
No, but if we share the number, that would not disclose my age.
I am okay if I have to disclose my age.
That's totally fine. I mean, we can disclose our age. Now we both are respectively married, so अभी कोई ऐसी दिक्कत वाली बात I don't think
No,
there should
there's
be
no
any
issues
problem.
at all.
So in this vlog, we are going to discuss that what we are exactly going to probably tell you or teach you or educate you with. So I'm really excited. First, I am going to educate myself that what exactly are we up to, and then we are going to pass on
Don't
that.
say that, you're scaring them. You already know what you're going to discuss.
I know a lot of things, but she's going to be the master or the headmaster of this entire thing. So I have to show that respect to her, na? Ke I have come to learn from her.
Okay, so the point is like, this is a BTS shoot. I really like this millennial word BTS, behind the scenes.
A lot of light is coming from, yeah. So I think this is the good angle, yeah.
I am not a videographer. Anyway, so we'll be doing a BTS shoot now, and let's see where we are heading to. And before Muffin, the biggest investor of our channel, I was about to say YouTube again, biggest investor of Odd Story enters, I will just introduce him myself. Here comes Mr. Muffin Sansare.
So we got really excited.
He really likes himself being called the investor of Odd Story. So let us just start now.
Is this the holy grail of everything? Is this the
Yes,
notebook or the
yes,
diary that
yes.
even I wasn't allowed to touch?
No.
I was about to open it and she was like, no, it has a lot of important stuff in it, and if you read it, you will become the probably Bazigar ka Shah Rukh Khan. So she's kind of insecure with this. And the name of the diary or the notebook is Infiltration.
Yeah.
So how do I not infiltrate this notebook?
Do not forget the important thing here.
What is the step towards dream? Oh, nice. Step towards dream is, you know what's the first step towards dream?
What?
Sleep.
I know you don't get to sleep. Can we continue?
Okay. So I am not allowed to open it. That's why it becomes a forbidden fruit for me. That's why I have to open it, and that's how I open it, and that's how she slaps me.
I won't slap you, but you're not allowed to slap.
Iha.
Hi, Iha. But
Call
I'll
नहीं
speak
है
to you
अबे
later. That's what I said. I'll speak
Oh,
to you later.
अच्छा.
Disconnect the call.
मेरे को लगा you thought that video call has
No,
already
I just
started.
said disconnect the call.
So Iha, on the orders of Neeti Sansare, the owner of, the founder of Odd Story, I had to disconnect. Trying to find.
That I can't. That's a secret.
Why?
That they need to figure out on 19.
Why? Acha, oh.
If I tell everything, why will they come for my workshop? They'll just watch the vlog and they're done. आगे है how to create a podcast.
How to create a podcast.
उसके लिए you have to take 3 important decisions. क्या है उस पॉडकास्ट में? विजन मिशन क्या है उस पॉडकास्ट में?
What is the vision mission? Muffin.
Though he is the biggest investor in Odd Story, but his only interest is his walk thing. He just wants to have fun in his life. He's least interested whether we work or not. Sir, don't you want ROI, return of investment नहीं चाहिए आपको? Hello, Mr. Muffin. Hello. No, he's not interested. He's damn excited because he's going down for his walk session now. And that's Sujata. She works for us. She's the only one who makes sure कि I am able to work because she takes care of my house. Chalo, getting back to work.
One very important question, although I'm sitting against light, but
Yeah.
I'm too tired to get up and go to the other side. The question is, how is he the biggest investor?
That's a good question. See,
So
I'll
if
tell
you
you, I
have the
have
same
an
question,
answer.
okay.
I
So
have
if
an
you have the
answer.
same question, join us on 19th. This is basically a teaser video in which we are telling you that what all are you going to explore on the 19th. No, but for this, I want to know. The nation wants to know. My heart wants to know that how is he a bigger investor? How is he the biggest investor?
Bornab, let's get to work.
बता दे. Investor कैसे हो?
See, not every investment is related to money. His investment is emotional. I can actually feel वो जो ठग वाला नहीं आता ठग like the chashma is going and the cigar is
So
going
एक
like
बार you are wearing the chashma. I will give you the sound effect. You wear it that way. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
Let's get to work.
So this is how much fun we are going to do on 19th. Provided we are able to make and edit the video on time. पता लगे 20th को हम video upload.
No. The plan is now that we'll have some green tea because we've had some chocolate bliss. We've had some heavy lunch and we're already sleepy, but we have a lot of work to do.
So again, I am against light and you cannot see me. Here I am. Hello, how are you? So I got a little confused कि कौन सा लेना चाहिए. Then I did that in pin safety pin in pin out. So what are we going to have now?
Vanilla. We're having vanilla.
Vanilla.
Chalo, let's get back to work.
Vanilla की green tea
अच्छा,
अच्छा
Thank you.
मग भी नीला, अंदर भी वानीला. आप भी लीजिए. आप ही का घर है.
Yeah. People should actually think that we're doing some serious work. We are.
Really serious, and we thought of channelizing our energies right into it. So post that we did not make any video, but yeah, this was the gist of our discussion session. Do join us on the 19th of February, Friday evening 7 p.m. in our webinar. Description में सब mention है. बाकी for now, if you like the video, if you like the discussion video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Odd Story.